Patna at one point of time was called Patliputra. Okay? So this is an old day conversation. This was a serial made by Shyam Benegal, 52 episodes. Okay? And there are 2 episodes in it of Chanakya and Chandragupta, the teacher and the taught, and the tension of learning, okay, which you must have gone through for 2 full years. I haven't done this for some time, so I just thought in 10 minutes flat we'll do this. This is how the conversation starts. And I'll first give you, because it's almost word to word, it's surprising how well it maps to our life as we stand today. This is what Chanakya tells Chandragupta. मत भूलो चंद्रगुप्त, तुम अपने पैरों तले आए हो मेरे पास अर्थशास्त्र सीखने. Modern translation, don't forget dear student, it was your idea to get into an MBA and more importantly brand management. Your idea, self-goal. Okay? This is what he says. बेशक आया था गुरुदेव, लेकिन आपने ये कभी नहीं कहा कि चंद्रगुप्त तुम हंस नहीं पाओगे, तुम सूरज को नहीं देख पाओगे, तुम कोई भी सुख नहीं पाओगे. गुरुदेव आपने मुझे ऐसा जीवन दिया जो मात्र एक पशु का होता है. This is the modern day translation. Exactly the dialogue. Please go back and check this. These are word to word written by Govind Deshpande there. Sure, sir, I got into management education myself, but you never told me I'll never be able to smile. I'll never be able to say the bright sun. I'm sure none of you did. And that I will never be happy. I hope you were happy at some point of time. Sir, you gave me the life of an animal with your quizzes, assignment, post, yeah, pre-midterm, post, yeah, quiz, लगा के लहू लहान कर दिया है, मार के, finish. Okay, so, and then this is what he says. This is what the teacher says. सम्राट के भाग्य में ही लिखा होता है चंद्रगुप्त. Best, my dear fellow. You want to be the CEO of Stanchart? मारे को यही एक रास्ता है. This is the way to go there. Okay? You want to do that? And this is the way to go there. Right? मत भूलो तुम मगध के बल्कि जम्बू द्वीप के एक छत्र सम्राट हो. You are not just a country manager, global manager. सत्यानादेड़ा, nothing short. हाँ? गुग सुंदर पीछे है बनना है तो यही रास्ता है. हाँ? Good or bad, this is the point. Right? मैंने ये तो नहीं कहा कि इस यात्रा पे या इस यात्रा के पूर्ति पे तुम सुख पाओगे. I never told you that. Nobody said that. I never told you that you would be happy as a CEO. Who told you that? You will be the. मैंने ये आश्वासन दिया तुम्हें एक महान साम्राज्य का, एक सुसभ्य समाज का. There will be a great empire. You will be the CEO of a Fortune 5,000 company, 500 company. There will be discipline. There will be order. There will be promotion. There will be CSR. What not? All of that is there. Happiness, man, look somewhere else. This is not the place. Okay. This whole damn thing, by the way, was your dream, not mine. All right? Okay. By the way, there is an alternative. Have guts and drop out like Bill Gates. This is bad idea now. Because you're almost in the out bay and you're going to check into the flight. So you can't do it. First years, those of you who are here by mistake, don't do that. Yeah? Take the chapa. You have no clue how important this chapa is going to be, this Dobby mark is going to be. Please take it and go for whatever it's worth. All right? Then you don't need to an MBA. You can hire them. Okay. And he says, you will marry Helena. Helena is the daughter of Megasthenes, the ambassador in Chandragupta Maurya's court. So, I have to, why should I marry her? He says, yeah, Raja ka vivaah Rajneet tay karta hai. Rangarelia nahi. Yeah. That's not how. Yeah. So if some of you end up marrying the CEO's daughter or someone up there, don't be surprised. It's not a bad choice. Yeah. The final denouement after all this, as they say, the 4 stages, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, finally, this is what happened. It is said that Chandragupta Maurya finally became a Jain monk. And he came all the way to Mysore, Shravan Belgola, where you have that Bhadrabahu, that huge statue, that Digambar Jain's headquarters, so to speak. He went there to become a Jain monk. Before that, he comes and meets Chanakya. Before he goes there. And this is what he says. निजी मुक्ति के पीछे जोड़ रहे हो चंद्रगुप्त. इस संस्कृति ने तुम्हें डस लिया है. Huh? Your salvation. That's what it is, finally. Yeah? This is like you're coming back and telling me at the age of 50, sir, I'm trying to find meaning in life. Man, at 50, really. Yeah? Okay. And then he says, sir, I have a request. The teacher preempts him and says, मैं मगध जाऊँ, बिंदुसार की देखभाल करूँ, I take care of your son, I put him in throne. Yeah? So your brother is studying here, I take care of him. Yeah? Your friend? Your cousin? Your nephew? Yeah, sure. I'll be here. Huh? Go, I'll be here. Yeah? Achievements always extract a stiff price, all this, whatever, blood, sweat, toil, and tears, as they say. It would be privacy, sleep, smile, happiness, food, leisure, whatnot. Sometimes all of these or some of these are gone. Yeah, you'll have one house in Dubai, one house in London, one house in sea-touch land in Bombay. What else? All that is there, of course. Do come back and tell us your exploits, whatever they are. Your celebrations and your sorrows, your triumphs and your failings. Whatever they are. I may not be here for all the time, but somebody like me will always be there for you in this place to hear you, to hear your nephew, your friend, your son. Go kiss your destiny. Good luck, Chandragupta. Go seek your glory for yourself and your institute. All the very best.